Oh, I know I'm gonna hear it. But yeah, 2S batteries. It says 1 to 2S batteries. But on the Pyrodrone side, it didn't specify, or at least I didn't remember. So what I'm gonna do, I want to mount my battery. I really want to mount it that way, but I don't want them laying across these wires. You know, it probably wouldn't be too bad, but if I mount it that way, which way should I mount it? That way? Or that way? If I mount it that way, this plug will reach right there. If I mount it that way, I guess I could put it over these wires. If I do it that way and cut that out, if I do it that way, this battery would be long enough, but will it be too heavy? I think I just gotta order new batteries. Did not want to do that. I'm doing it. If I gotta buy a new frame, screw it. Now I just need scissors. Call me stupid, I don't care. I want to fly my drone. Just need longer ties. Might work temporarily anyway, till they come up with something better. I know I have some Velcro somewhere, just not that thin. Probably gonna have to get some rubber bands. But this is also in sideways. That'd be a pain in the butt to do every time, but let's check it out. the only thing that's gonna be